Elon Musk just delayed the biggest AI model ever built, and the reason why is honestly kind of insane. Leaked details point to 6 trillion parameters, 200,000 GPUs, and enough power usage to run a small city, and yet nothing official has been announced. No trailer, no keynote, just silence. And when Elon goes quiet, it usually means something big is happening behind the scenes. Grok 5 was originally expected to launch by the end of 2025. That deadline is gone. Now it's looking like early 2026, somewhere between January and March. And in the AI world, where progress moves at light speed, a delay like that isn't normal. It usually means they hit a wall. But in this case, the wall wasn't bugs or features. The wall was scale. According to reported leaks, Grok 5 is being trained on the Colossus 2 Supercluster, a system made up of 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs, pulling close to 1 gigawatt of electricity. That's not startup energy. That's why did the lights flicker, energy, and all of that power is being used for one thing: real-time multimodal intelligence. Unlike most AI models, Grok 5 doesn't have a fixed knowledge cutoff. It's continuously learning from over 100 million posts and videos every single day, pulled live from X. So while other models answer questions using yesterday's internet, Grok 5 can respond to things that happened an hour ago. Think of it like this. Most AI models are reading an encyclopedia from last year. Grok 5 is watching a 24-hour live news channel that never turns off. And it gets even crazier. Grok 5 isn't just reading text. It can process images, audio, and live video natively. In one demo, it reportedly watched a live drone feed, identified nearly 50 different objects, analyzed traffic flow, and flag hazards all in real time, with less than 120 milliseconds of delay. That's faster than most humans react. On top of that, Grok 5 is said to support a 1.5 million token context window, allowing it to process entire books, massive code bases, or long conversations in a single session without losing context. Compared to other AI models, the difference is pretty clear. While models like GPT 5.2 dominate coding and professional reasoning, Gemini 3 Pro shines at long-term planning, and Claude Opus 4.5 focuses on efficient agent workflows. Grok 5 is betting everything on real-time, multimodal world awareness. That's the bet Elon Musk is making. But there's a catch. When an AI learns from live social media, it also learns the chaos, misinformation, bias, and feedback loops included. The line between human content and AI-generated content starts to blur, and that creates risks we've never dealt with before. So Grok 5 could be a massive leap forward. Or the moment AI stopped observing the world and started reacting to it in real time. Either way, when this launches in 2026, the AI race is going to change fast. If you want to stay ahead of AI leaks, tools, and updates like this, make sure you subscribe to AI Chief, because things are moving way too fast to play catch up later.